Hi everyone, welcome to another video in the Smooth as Butter series. In this video, we'll take a look at some interesting things in the Butter software. So let's dive right in. For the first, we'll take a look at how to share a screen. Now we've taken a look at this before, but since then, a few updates have been released. And so this is almost a refresher of how to share a screen in Butter and what are some improvements that they have added to sharing a screen. So in my session right now, I can click on share to share my screen. I can also enable this for everybody so other people can share the screen as well. But for now, I'll just share this particular screen. Now I can click on this to enlarge this preview. And what I can also do now is I can resize this window so I can see more of my participants and less of the screen, or vice versa. I can also click on the three dots and enter focus mode, which just enlarges this screen even more so that I don't need anything. This is good if you're, if you're viewing a Butter session as just a presentation and you don't want any other distractions. I can also hide the participants and only focus on the screen that I'm sharing. Now, one of the new introductions in Butter when sharing a screen is annotations. So annotations can be also either be only the facilitator or it can be enabled for all participants. And of course, you can choose different colors for your annotation tool as well. So for this one, let's say if I choose a red annotation tool, I can just highlight aspects on this page and participants who are watching this Butter session will be able to see these annotations. And these annotations obviously disappear after a few seconds. Now, important thing to note is that when, let's say if you enable these annotations for everybody, for all the participants, if they start annotating, it will only be visible in your share screen window in Butter, but not on the actual screen that you're sharing. So you would have to see the annotations in Butter itself, not in the other browser window. And of course, if you want to stop sharing, you can just click on the X to stop share. Now, what's next is sharing PDFs. Now, this has changed slightly as well. What you can do is go to your toolbox, click on the new tool button, and over here, you would actually not find PDF anymore. Instead, you will find slides. So if you click on slides, this is basically allowing you to upload your PDF. And so let's say if I want to name this just as a demo PDF, Butter, and then I upload the PDF and choose the PDF from my desktop. I can preview all the pages in this PDF. Over here, there's just one page, and then I can click on save, or I can even click on start. Once this PDF has been uploaded, it will be available in my toolbox over here under slides. And if I click on that, this PDF will now open up as a presentation, and it'll just be visible here, similar to sharing your screen, and it'll be visible to all the participants. Now, similar to sharing a screen, you can also resize this window. You can also enter focus mode, and then you can also hide participants. So it's very similar to sharing your screen. Now, with a PDF, you can also zoom in. So this is really neat because not always you would have the option. And you can also annotate parts of your PDF similar to sharing a screen. And you can enable these annotations for all participants as well. And of course, now to end the PDF session, you just click on the X button here to end the PDF session for everybody. Now, the third thing that we look at, which a facilitator can use to share content with their participants, is embedded links. Now, to do that, we click on the toolbox, click on New Tool, and then click on Embed a Link. Now, if I click on that, I can embed a few other embeddable links. And what I'll do for this demo is just embed a Miro board as an embedded tool. And then I'll just click on save. And this will open up here. And then if I click on this, it'll activate that embedded link. And this will also be visible to all your participants. Now I can click on the See Board button to look at the Miro board that I've just embedded. And again, similar to share screen, similar to PDF, I can resize this view. And then I can also click on the three dots over here to either enter the focus mode. I can also hide my participants, and I can also, in this case, I can also open this embedded link in a new tab. And if that's what you want to do, then absolutely go for it. Now, when you embed a link, this does not have annotations at the moment, so that is just something to keep in mind. And if you do require annotations, maybe sharing a screen might be better suited for you. To end this whole embedded link session, just click on the X button to close it for everybody. So that is it for this video. We had a look at how to embed a link and embed content from a link into your Butter session. We looked at sharing your screen and annotations that was available with sharing your screen. So that's a new feature. And of course, we also took a look at how to embed or how to share PDF file with your participants in Butter. Now that also was slightly different to what we previously had taken a look at. So these are the three things that we had a look in this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video and these features of Butter. Do like, share this video with your network, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel because that helps a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.